What's poppin', y'all? This is your boy Reggie Beats. What's poppin', y'all? This is your boy Reggie. Today we'll just be going on a young drive in my Scirocco 2-liter TSI. It's a 2012 model. It's fully stock. You know what I'm saying? And I like this car so much, so I'm just trying to take you guys on the ride with me. I'm not gonna be saying much. I'll just take you to one of the best roads that I know out here, so you can just, you know what I'm saying, enjoy the sound and enjoy the sound of my petrol finishing. I'm not gonna say much. I'll just comment now and then, but let's get it. Okay, alright, let's. The DSG model, by the way, you know, using the pedals to flip it. It's on sports mode. Slow shading in my country right now, meaning that there's no electricity. I'll open up the window a bit as well. Okay, as you can see, the robots are not working, which is the lights. And there's a lot of accidents that happen here because people don't look. Right. A minute. Okay. Now we can eat it. I'm on sports mode right now, you know, so I'm just going half throttle, not full throttle, but here's a nice straight road here. Let me try and give it full and see. Oh, flies. It flies. I feel like the speed is enough, you know what I'm saying? Nothing, well, in terms of more, let's say, okay, the start, right? Because I don't know how to use the launch control yet, or I think it doesn't have launch control, but one homie told me that I can actually get it to have launch control. But I'm not gonna be launching it today, man. It's just a young drive. It's a very nice neighborhood as well, you know. It's a nice Sunday, it's nice and clean. Man, I love this car a lot because I only had this car for like 2 months, and trust me, I'm enjoying everything. I come from a Corsa OPC, you know, so this is, it's not like a big jump in terms of power, but in terms of the overall quality, man. This car is, oh, the sound is amazing. You know, I still don't know what VW did with this sound, but wow, the sound is crazy. This is nice when they stop signs, but now just do a normal. Well, if you ask me if I'm planning to, you know what I'm saying, do something to the car, I will, probably like in a year or 6 months. I'm still enjoying the stock right now, you know what I'm saying. I know they say stage 1 of this car can, well, apparently stage 2 can turn it into a demon. I don't know about stage 1, but So far, man, it's still good. I'm having fun. Oh, one thing about this DSG gearbox, man, when it changes, it's so, like, the feeling and the sound is satisfactory. I think that's the word. You want to do it all the time. You know, like, you just want to change so you can hear the sound and feel that DSG change. Well, mine doesn't have the farts. They're there, but they're little. I don't really need them right now. But inside it's sounding, ooh, amazing. Ooh, ah. Okay, cool. Now we have another stop sign. Hopefully this one is turning. The corner is not turning, so we can't really. This one, the Mercedes doesn't want to stop. Crazy. DSG changes, man. When I'm changing on the pedals right here, I'm busy flipping. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's amazing. Like, apparently a DSG is a manual, which is an automatic. Apparently it's two manuals that are helping each other. But it's amazing, man. It changes great. Alright, so we're gonna hit a U-turn here. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, you're gonna press it. Change downs. Well, this thing catches speed quickly. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the only thing that it needs is just launch control. Once you can have launch, well, I'm sure it does. Just gotta go and activate it. Well, somebody told me that I need to remove traction control and then put my left foot all the way down and floor the accelerator. It should launch. But I'm not gonna launch it now. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just driving and enjoying. Just look at this view, man. It's beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see it. You can't really see the view. Damn. The view was actually on the left. But I'll put my camera properly next time so you can see the whole design. You know what I'm saying? Eish. Okay. Some nice apartments right here. Then this is Marafontaine. I must come stay here one day. Oi. One thing that is addictive is the sound and the smooth power delivery. The way this thing delivers power, bro, it's very smooth, man. And the steering wheel is so nice and planted. It's leather. Trust me, it feels good to be in this car. This car was made like 10 years ago. I can't believe that somebody 10 years ago was imagining this, was enjoying this. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how life works. Because I'm only enjoying this now 10 years later, and trust me, it feels like they made this car this year. I can imagine how the latest VW cars feel like. But trust me, they were ahead of the game. Here's a GTI, the new one. You know, it looks dope. I've never been a GTI person, but since I got this whip, I mean, it just made me realize that the people who drive GTIs, they usually act like they have it all, and they do. You know, it's very nice. Like, it's crazy. When I was driving a Corsa OPC, I'm like, what is a GTI, man? You know what I'm saying? I didn't understand that it's not all about the power and the, you know, and the speed. It's about the car as a whole. And the VW, man, like, this is 2012, and look at the technology. It has pedal flips. I know there've been cars back in the day where they had pedal flips, but it's just so amazing that on a Scirocco like this that I could afford, it has all of this, man. It's amazing. Okay, there's a nice downhill right here, so I think I'm just gonna flow it right there for the last time. You know what I'm saying? As long as the quid doesn't go before me. It is. Okay, I'll go on the other side. Can't just flow it a bit. It's nice. T-Rock. So yeah, man, we're almost at the end of our drive. I was just doing a young route. I don't really, you know, go over 140 or anything, because it's like, you know, it's a suburb with people around. I'll definitely take you to the track one day, or take you to the highway. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I just said, like, you know what? Let me just do a young drive in my neighborhood. Okay, who stopped first? The Beamer stopped first. Okay, now we can go. is a SRT. Big power. Okay, alright, now that's it for the drive. Definitely join you guys next time with the drive. You know what I'm saying? It was a nice one, it was a chilled one. You know, it's my first video. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, or hit the subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Sure.